Alright, Mabsat, mega love shoutout. Good evening, Mabsat. Ito, pag-usapan natin tong isang topic natin, Mabsat. Wait lang So, okay na tayo kay Trillanes, Mabsat. Ito tayo dito. Okay. Actually, naka-live si Attorney Claire. Papatapusin ko lang si Attorney Claire, mga kabsat, no? Then, papasukan natin siya mamaya. Kasi kailangan natin bilisan. Alright, mga kabsat. Ito, Ateneo. Human rights, mga kabsat. Maliban sa UP Law professors, 100 plus na UP ito guys, hindi ko pa to binabasa pero alam ko na yung dito pa lang sa headers niyo. Ateneo Human Rights Center issues a statement urging ina-urge nila yung Senado to adhere its constitutional duty and begin with the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte as soon as possible. O basahin natin to, mga kabsat. Tanggalin ko muna dito, mga kabsat. Wait, tanggalin ko yung banner natin. Yan, para makita nyo. Okay, kaya pa ba itong i-zoom? Okay, Senate undermines Constitution with impeachment delays. The Senate, by the constitutional design, is entrusted with the solemn duty of acting as an impeachment court. It is distinct constitutional function that demands impartiality, urgency, and fidelity of the rule of law. The impeachment complaints against Vice President Sara Duterte was transmitted to the Senate on February 5, 2025. 4 months ago have passed. No hearing has been held. No trials has begun. Not a single step has been taken in compliance with the constitutional command to proceed forthwith or without any delay. Without a single step. Kasi nga nagbakasyon sila. Yung kanilang command, constitutional command na dapat ginawa nila, na ganun din sinasabi ni Gatchalian, sinasabi ni Cayetano, sinasabi ni Jinggoy, hindi. Erase, hindi pala si Jinggoy. Si JB Ejercito, yung kapatid ni Jinggoy. Kailangan umpisahan na yan. Mandato eh. Wala kami we have no choice. It's our job. It's our duty. Mas priority ang impeachment. Pero hindi nila ginawa, mga kakabsat. Bakit kaya? Ano kaya ang kinakatakutan nila, guys? No? Ba't hindi nila inumpisahan? Dali nga, di ko nakikita yung mga comment nyo. Wait lang Sorry. Okay. So, ayun na nga, mabsat, no? So, tuloy natin to. We remind the Senate, nire-remind, jeez, it is accountable to the people. Obligasyon nyo sa mga tao and to the Constitution. It must fulfill its constitutional mandate and proceed without further delay with the impeachment proceedings of Vice President Sara Duterte. Ateneo na to, mahabsat. Tama ba ako? Ateneo ba? Ateneo, human rights. Without delay, the Senate presents itself as independent, fair, and fearless. A government institution that zealously protect the Constitution, promote democratic values, and uphold the national interests. Diba? Mukhang hindi yata national interest. Baka naman personal interest to. Nagtatanong lang Nagtatanong lang. Baka naman. No? However, the recent action of the 19th Congress cast serious doubt on this vision. The deliberate adjustment of the Senate calendar. Adjust pa kasi. And the introduction of the Senate resolution seeking de facto dismissal of the impeachment of Vice President reflect an apparent intent to derail a constitutionally mandated process. Derail. No? Nilalabag ang constitutional mandato. The action of the Senate threatens to reduce the impeachment, a constitutional mechanism meant to hold public official accountable, into a mere political circus. Sabi nga ni Trillanes, gymnastics kanina, di ba? Habang nagsisirkus, gymnastics sila dyan. Binabaloktot nila yung mga batas eh. Ba? When the Senate sits as an impeachment court, it does not perform a legislative function. O, ito, naka-ankon pa yan. An impeachment proceedings is sui generis, unique in its form and purpose. It is neither a matter of political convenience nor a tool to be wielded at will. Instead, it is a constitutional duty that leaves the Senate no option but to fulfill. Wala kayong ibang option kundi i-fulfill lang inyong constitutional duty. Pero hindi nyo ginagawa. Ha? Dalawa lang lumalaban. Ngayon, nagsalita na yung iba. Kasi nga, ayaw nilang madamay. Damay-damay na. Nako po, o ito. Second page. The claim that impeachment will be functionally dismissed on the last day of the 19th Congress is constitutional, indefensible, and mislead the Filipino people. Imi-mislead nyo, hindi yan. Huwag kayong nakikinig dyan kay Tolentino na pag natapos na yung session ng Kongreso, wala nang itutuloy sa 20th Congress. Nakaka misleading. Diba? The Supreme Court has long ruled that the Senate is a continuing body, continuing. That is not dissolved as an entity with each national election. Kasi nga sinasabi niya, dati kasi 8 ang senador. So 8, 16, 24. Kailangan may lang sa 2/3. Yun ang sinasabi ni Tolentino. Pero masakit. 'Di ba? Murdered si Tolentino kanina sa mga professor ng UP. 'Di ba? Pati kay yung mga ibang kapwa niya senador. Anong ginawa? Mali. Nako po, mali. Sino nga naniniwala? Si Trillanes ka, 'di ba? Oh. 'Di ba? Attorney pa man din 'yan, pero my goodness. Oh. Next. Dissolve as an entity with each national election or charge in a composition of its member. The rule for unfinished business o pag hindi na unfinished business that unpassed bills, resolutions, and even legislative investigations are considered terminated upon expiration of the Congress should not apply. Therefore, the impeachment proceedings, a non-legislative, hindi siya legislative function, must proceed without interruption. Magpro-proceed sa 20th Congress without interruption. Ano na mga senador? Pero sa totoo lang, alam din naman nila yan eh. Di ba? Eh, wala sila magagawa. Sukol na sila. Nagagalit na yung taong bayan sa ginagawa nila. Di ba? Nako po. It must be stated plainly by deliberately delaying the impeachment proceedings, the Senate is failing its constitutional duty. Failed. This is not merely a matter of scheduling. Walang kinalaman yung schedule dyan. Forthwith nga eh. Agad-agad. It is a matter of accountability, of constitutional integrity, and of the Senate's credibility as an institution. There is no time better than today to stand firm for the mission that the Senate itself took. Institute good governance, promote rule of law, strengthen democracy. To do anything less in the betrayal of its constitutional duty, betrayal. Nako po, pag yan lumabasan, damay-damay sila, mabsat. Magkakaproblema sila, lalo na pag kinasuhan na sila. Betrayal of public trust. My goodness. It's a sworn to protect. O yan, mabsat. Coming from Ateneo Human Rights Center. Nako po. Nako po. So, anong matasabi nyo dyan, mabsat? So, Grabe, inuubo tayo mga kapsat ha. Hindi na gumagaling ubo natin. Putragis. O siya mga kapsat, so yan yung sinabi ng Ateneo Human Rights. So kayo na, bahala guys, no? Alam naman natin, no? Malamang alam din nila. Kaso nagbibingi-bingi yan, nabubulag-bulagan. My goodness. Okay? So yan lang po mga kapsat. Tuloy natin to. Next topic tayo mga kapsat. Saan na yan?